Hi guys, it is finally the finale, the live eviction, the live finale show of the bbnaija All Stars Season 8 2023 eviction. See, I will not bite my mouth today, Holy Ghost fire, because I am just losing breath. 2023 edition, that is the word. Yes, now tonight we're going to crown our winner, and I'm just going to bring you the full lowdown on everything that happened, from the first things that happened down to the end. So of course, do right by yourself and by me to stick to the end of this video. Now guys, you guys know that I will not be attaching the videos of bbnaija to my videos because of copyright issues. I'm just going to see it through so you get the full lowdown. In case you didn't watch the live stream, there are channels that are doing the live stream. In case you want to watch it, go watch it and come back. Let us banter and drag each other just like we did in the previous videos. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So of course, Ebuka came in as always looking amazing, stunning, dashing, and each time I ask myself, how many million naira or hundreds of thousands do you spend on these attires? Ebuka spoke about how we've seen an amazing season, how crazy it's been, and then we welcomed Skills to come and sing to the housemates and to the viewers. Of course, he did a live show, and then we went into the bbnaija house where we got to watch a recap of all the good, the bad, the fun, the fights, the crazies of the bbnaija show. And each time they were flipping through scenes, all I was saying was, oh my god, we're not going to see more of this. What's happening? Oh my god. It almost broke my heart, but I was like, you know what, whatever. So Big Brother had to speak to the housemates once more as he told them that, you know what, it is only when a fence falls off that a goat can climb over. You guys have come here and conquered. You guys are amazing. You're all stars. You should not think anything about your time here. It's just been progress, truth, growth, and amazingness all through. And all of you, I would miss you. And do not forget, Big Brother is always watching. At a point, I was laughing and going crazy over it. I'm like, excuse me, this is unbelievable. Like, the show is finishing now. Like, is this what is really happening? Oh my god. Anyways, Ebuka then went into the house to talk to the housemates, and you know, it was time to announce the first housemate who would be evicted. That would be the fifth runner up in the show. And Ebuka, you know, announced that Cross was the first to be evicted from the bbnaija All Stars finale, and he was shocked but also expected it because all of us actually expected it. They clapped for him. People gave him 10 seconds, and of course Ebuka welcomed him to the stage and asked him buying the finale ticket and the finalist ticket, was it worth it? He said of course it was. And then of course Ebuka had to, you know, talk to us again, and this time it was also to announce the next housemate to be evicted from the bbnaija All-Star season. Now we have top 5. Audience were shouting Adekunle, Pere, and then Ebuka announced that Pere was the next to be evicted from the bbnaija All-Star season finale. That is, he is the 4th runner-up of the season. And it was crazy because by the time Ebuka spoke to him, he said that what he has with Mercy Eke is actually genuine, and he is hoping that they will grow it. And then we had Ebuka had to take us into a throwback of the ships that's, you know, started, sailed, or crashed or whatever. But generally, the ships in Big Brother's house, we saw Bbnaija Adekunle, we saw what's their name, Bbnaija and her cousin Neo. We then saw Cross and Ilebaye. I'm like, oh. And then we also saw that of CeEC and another girl, you know, building bonds and friendships. We saw more of Ilebaye and Cross. We saw that of Mercy Eke and Pere. We saw Mercy Eke and WhiteMoney. We saw so much more, and it was really interesting. One thing that caught my attention was when Ilebaye said by the time they're done with the show, people will start addressing her as Diamond because she has been refined and is now an amazing winner. Ebuka then took us into another throwback where we saw all the games that got them money from the different sponsors, Guinness, Indomie, what's the name? Smirnoff eyes. We had the one that they had the colorful balls. We had a lot of them. Lipton tea. We had HFM, Munchit, and so much more. Ebuka then had to take us back into the house. It was now time to announce the next housemate to be evicted. We have about, if I'm not mistaken, 3 girls: Ilebaye, CeEC, Mercy, EKE, and then we needed to also announce the I think there's one boy remaining, and that was Adekunle, who is officially the last man standing. So Ebuka asked the housemates to stand, and then it was now time to announce the next housemate to be evicted. That would be the third runner-up. So the third runner-up is Adekunle. Adekunle was shocked, didn't expect to be evicted, even when he went into the live show stage. He needed to address Venita and everything he was doing. Sorry, to me, I think it was all fake. He was saying some sweet things. People are just looking at him, this guy, oh God, do come off from that stage, make us see road. And then Ebuka took us back into the house to see all the basketballs. I mean, the time of the troubles, the fight between CeEC and Alex, fight between Pere and CeEC, fight between Pere and Alex, fight between Ilebaye and CeEC, fight between Venita and Pere, fight between Pere and Adekunle, fight between Doyin and CeEC and Adekunle, and all that. We had another music break where Skills had to perform for the second time before Ebuka called us back, and then went back into the house where we had our top 3 Amazons, the last 3 ladies standing that has ever happened in the history of Big Brother Naija. And then Ebuka had to announce that the next housemate to be evicted was CeEC. CeEC literally didn't shake or smile at the 2 other girls. CeEC was pissed. All she said was, "What nonsense is this?" or "What is that? Oh my God, what is this?" or something like that. She exclaimed something, but she didn't smile. She didn't talk to anybody. She just walked straight out, and I was like, oh my God, I understand her pain, because this is the girl that said to Big Brother that she wishes, even if she gets to be in the top 2, that is, even if she is just the first runner up or win the show, but at least she just wants to be in that category of the top 2. But then our top 2 are Ilebaye and Mercy EKE. Ebuka decided to take us again into the house, and this time it was going to be the emotional moments that, you know, housemates had to break down. No matter how tough and crazy each person was, they broke down. We saw when Uriel cried for whatever reason. I honestly don't know why Sheyi was crying, but I know it was fake. See, Ilebaye was crying in the bathroom and everywhere. We saw when what's the name? So Martina broke down multiple times. Doyin broke down in diary session and on the chair for her friendship and everything. I cried that period. We saw where Lucy cried. We saw where Angel cried. It was really emotional. And then Big Brother had to talk to the top 2 finalists, the last ladies standing, Ilebaye and Mercy EKE, that, you know what, goodbye, go to the live stage. I'm telling you guys, I'm so emotional right now. It is like getting me so bad. Like, this show was not supposed to be an emotional show, but why am I feeling like this? This is crazy. God should just bless this both ladies and every of the housemates, even though there were those we didn't like, but it is what it is. God, please. Let me not say my favorite. Anyways, let's continue. And of course, I had to save Ebuka's second dressing picture for the next. That is who gets to win the finale. Now, they did a lot of adverts. I was literally pissed. Talking Makinwa had to speak to some of the sponsors and all the 9 yards. And then soon it was now finally to announce the winner of the Big Brother Naija All-Star Season 8 2023 edition. You guys, my leg was shaking. I was screaming. I was praying, because I know Ebuka just announced that the winner of the show is Ilebaye. Can I tell you guys the truth right now? At the time of recording this video, they've not announced the winner, but out of the belief that I feel that Ilebaye deserves it and she might be the winner, that's how I make this video. If it turns out that Mercy EKE won the show, I will re-edit this video and re-upload. So if you want to drag me. I will see you on the next video that I make, whomever it is, because oh my God, my head wants to explode. I'm too emotional for this roller coaster.